How to convert gcredit to gcash wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to convert gcredit to gcash wallet. Alright, so let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Coin app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, click on Cash In or Add PHP now. This will redirect you into a new page where you can find the different ways you can cash in. So just go ahead and click on Palawan Pawn Shop. And here click on Dragon Now. Then you'll need to enter the amount of the money that you want to cash in. Before you enter the amount, you'll need to subtract 35 pesos from the amount that you're supposed to cash out from your GCredit. This is due to the 25 pesos transaction fee asked by Palawan Pawn Shop and 10 pesos transaction fee asked by gcash. So in here, instead of entering 1000, I'll need to enter 965 pesos. After that, just go ahead and provide the recipient's email address. It's important to enter your email address to be able to get access to the step-by-step tutorial on how you can pay on Dragon Pay using Gcash. Now go ahead and click on the next button and click on the confirm cash in button and a receipt will be generated. So as you can see in here, this cash in request is only valued for 48 hours. So after 48 hours, you cannot cash in anymore with this request. So let's go ahead and head over to the Google Mail. Here, open the email sent by DragonPay. The link that you'll find here will contain the information you'll need to pay for this cash and transaction on Gcash. So let's head over to Gcash. You'll need to sign into your Gcash account where you have a high G score qualified for Gcredit. On your dashboard, just click on the Bills button and this will redirect you to a new page where you can find the list of dealers you can pay for on Gcash. So here, just click on the search button and search for Dragon Pay. So as you can see in here, you can pay on Dragon Pay using Gcredit. So click on Dragon Pay and here you need to enter the total amount as by Coins app. You'll need to copy the reference number from the link provided by the mail sent by Dragon Pay on your account. So click on this link to be able to find that reference number which you'll need to enter on Gcash. Here just enter your contact number and uncheck the checkbox or you proceed to the next step. Since I don't have a Gcredit, I won't be able to find the Gcredit option for the payment option. But if you have a Gcredit, you'll be able to select Gcredit from the payment option. Click confirm once you've selected the Gcredit option and there you have it. So that's basically how you can convert Gcredit to Gcash wallet. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more content and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.